If you are working with photo editing or illustrations on a Wacom tablet, you will sooner or later wear out your Wacom Pen Nib. And when this happens, you want to replace it as fast as possible, because otherwise you will also wear out your actual Wacom tablet. I've got some questions on how to change the nib if you should screw off the tip, but you should look into your pen stand, because here you will find many extra nibs of different kind. You will also find this special tool, which is a plier for changing the nib. So simply take this special plier and grab your nib and pull it out. The black nibs are hard and slides well on your tablet, and the grey nibs are softer and have a bit more friction. I like the black nibs best. And you don't need the tool for placing the new nib, you can simply put it in place by hand. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions regarding this, just write a comment down below. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.